This is Bear. He's about, how old are you, Boo? Yeah, how old are you? He's about 13, 12. I should know how old he is. I'll figure it out later. He's a little old. You got some gray hairs on his nose. We saved him from the vet when he was a little puppy. He and his brothers and sisters were kind of abandoned, and some families tried to pick them up, but the one family that got Bear decided later they couldn't keep him, so they brought him back to the vet, and we'd told the vet we were looking for a puppy, and so he let us know he got one, and we got Bear. And I'll have to share with you guys some photos of how adorable he was when he was a puppy, but he's a good boy. Yeah, you are. Yeah. We think he's a mix of maybe like a Shiba and a German Shepherd. He's fairly small. He gets super freaked if he thinks you're going to eat his food. Say hi to everyone. You're so handsome. Yeah. And he has very unattractive teeth, which I can't probably show you guys, but... Bye, Bear. Bye. Hi, you guys. So I just introduced you to my dog, Bear, and I just thought I'd tell you guys a little bit about how things are for dogs and cats in Japan. One thing I've always been kind of disappointed by here is that there's no Dumb Friends League. There's really no place for you to take puppies if you have them and you want to find homes for them. There's no place if there's a stray that it could be picked up and taken to. So it kind of is a little unfortunate in that sense. There's a huge kind of fascination with full breed dogs, and people insist upon getting full breeds, and then they don't tend to maybe spay and neuter as much as they should, and we get a lot of puppies and kitties that are unwanted and wind up being killed later, which is very sad. So I've always been a strong believer in saving as many puppies as you can if you want one, rather than going to a pet store, to go ahead and go to your Dumb Friends League and find a cute little puppy there that needs a home. So I hope slowly things will change in Japan and there'll be more options like this for people, and in general the public will be more excited about the idea of having a puppy that's maybe not a purebred but still needs a home. So Bear is certainly one of those puppies. He's an abandoned pup, and like I said, he's probably like a mixed breed of maybe a Shiba and a German Shepherd, and he has a little bit of a personality problem sometimes. He's pretty defensive about his food. He gets really freaked out when there's a motorcycle that comes by. I think that comes from some terrible trauma when he was a puppy, probably. But he's been a good dog. We had to have him move outside because my daughter has terrible dog allergies. So when we found that out when she was just a little baby, we had to move him outdoors. And he's been a good sport of it. And when it's super cold or rainy, my husband's father, who lives next door, lets him in so that he can be warm.